Hello there. Hi, it's Penny from Kelb's Sparkles, and this is part two of my kitting up for my Heaven and Earth. This is what I'm doing. Reading cats, 239 colours, 157 centimetres by 112 centimetres. Because I don't do jobs by half, obviously I wanted to go for a big one. Now we've done one. Now I have 9 containers to fill up. I've done 1 and 2. So we are now on to number 3. Now, I am going to say, like I explained in the video before, that I am using spare drills. I have, if you saw my unboxing last week, I am doing, what am I doing? Who knows what I'm doing? I don't even know what I'm doing half the time. I've boxed up all my art dots. They're in my spare storage. I have not transferred my old storage into that yet because it won't all fit. My art dots, where I've got 1,000 of each colour, is the 2 big wooden boxes and a photo box. So what I'm trying to do is, before I sort of shuffle around, I am using the old ones drills first. If I've got enough. If I haven't got enough, then I don't. So you can't see it all because it's everywhere. I've literally got boxes to the left, to the right, and in front of me. So here goes. 597. Where are you? 597. Now, some of these I have enough. These are the old drills. And I only need 90. Now, I painstakingly counted. And this, which is half a teaspoon, but it's very pretty, holds 300 drills. What I'm also doing is, if I've got all of them, if I lift this up, I put a line across. The ones where I've written a number is how many I still need of that colour. Now, I will have every single colour that's needed because of buying the big pack. 598, I haven't got any in my spare. I only need 78. So we'll use, if I haven't got enough in my spare, then I am using the art dot ones, because that is why I bought the art dot one, is so that I had spares in every colour. So we have all of that one. 600. Have I got any 600? I have. Not a lot. That's 601, so that's the one anyway. 600. I need 600. So I am going to go to this one and I'm going to see how much is in here. Now, because this is a big canvas, what I am doing, 300, oh, I may have enough. What I'm actually doing is I am mixing shades. And I know I don't usually. Right, I don't think that's quite 300, 600. But I'm going to put that in and leave it like that and put that back so that when I actually run out, I'll just go and get some more. But I know that I do have enough. I am going to sort these bags out at the end because there's more exciting things for you to watch. 601. I know I do have. I need 400, and I definitely, there's not 400 there. So I will do the same thing. I will use all these first, and then I'll get it out of the art dot. Simply because then I'm not mixing shades, because some of them, let's have a look, are different, and I don't want to mix them. I will use the other ones, but I don't want to mix them just yet, because I'll use all that shade first and then move on to the second shade. And I'll make the right cat's ear of that. There we go. So we know we've got that one. And that is the first one done. Now, these containers, this is number 3, and I do have up to number 9. Although the 9th one isn't full up. 603, do we have any in here? Yes, we do, and we need 300. And I'd say there's easily, well, we need 307. So let's measure this and see if there is. Now, this holds 300. Yeah, there's going to be plenty. I'm not fighting with it. I do it over a tray because it makes it that little bit easier. And if they do spill, then I can just tip them in like so. So we can mark that one off. 606. I'm hoping. Now, I don't think I've got enough of that. Oh, there's another one there, which has more. So I think what I'll do is I'll use this one. And then what I can do is, if I do run out, and I'll go back in the box, because I don't know if I want to mix these. And I don't think I need 400. Let's have a look. I've done it all arse over tit here, people, because let's see how many's in there. No, there's about 300. So, in fact, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix these two. Put them all in. And then it is what it is, isn't it? Actually, now they're in there, they don't actually look like there's a huge difference in colour, which happens. So we can cross that one off. Like I said, a lot of them that have got like less than 1,000, I've definitely got the right numbers. 610. We don't have any in there, so we're going to go to the art dot. Now I need 581. So there's 300, there's 600. So 610 is done. And then what I'm going to do, when I do have big numbers, I keep them here. So when I need huge amounts, like 310s, I'll just put extras in this box. And the ones I need, I will be putting them in there. 612. 612, I need 386. Do we think there's 386 in there? I've lost the space. I'm just checking that I have only got one bag of it. So I know I've definitely got enough because I can use the art dot ones. So let's pull this in. I'd say there isn't far off 300 in there. I need 386, but like I said, I will just get it out of the art dot. 632. Let's see whether I've got any of that. Oh, I've got a fair bit of that. I need 600. So, in fact, 606. So, what I'm going to do is, I've definitely got enough here. 300. Yeah, I'm just going to pour them in, because that way I've got it. And obviously I've missed the pot. but that is nothing new. And this is why, guys, I do it over a tray, because it's me. There's well enough there. So there's that one. Let's mark that off. So yeah, kiddies have gone home. 640, I've got very little and I need 400 odd. So I'm going to go into the art dot. Yeah, the kids have gone home. My daughter came up, they had dinner and off they went. Now I need 486. So what I'm going to do is pour that in and a little bit. Put that back in there. 640. There it is. Keep my place. And then I'm also going to just pour these in. If I can get the card out, because it makes it a lot easier to take the card out while I'm pouring. Although, obviously, I still spill it. So most, yeah, a lot of these I will have enough. It's only the ones that are over 1,000 that I won't have. 647, I need 600, give or take. Now, 647, I shall, how many do I need? 600. Right, so there's 300. And because it's not far off, I'm not going to do the art dot ones yet, because I will use up that shade first. I'll sort all these bags out later because they're doing me head in. 666, which I know I've got. And I only actually need 200. So we'll just get a spoonful and put it in. There we go. That one was easy. 666. Where you gone? There you are. So I think, I'm hoping this kitting up for the Heaven and Earth will be done some point this week. Finished. I haven't got any 677s. So we get it out of the art dot, and I need just under 400. So we'll do 300 and a bit more. And that was 677 goes in there. And then that one can be turned, crossed off. Right, 702. Now, I don't think I've got many of these numbers, but we will soon find out. Oh, I've got on the map. Oh, I have 702. We need 361. So there's 300 and a bit more. You can go in there, my love. But I'm still going to have tons of these left in these spares, by the looks of things. 702 is done. 703. I do have some, but I don't have enough. So 703. How similar? It's completely different. So I am going to use it out of here. I need 472. So now when I say 300, I'm being very generous with these scoops, because it just saves me going to look, and I'd rather just get rid when I kick down. So 703 goes back in that one, and that one can go back in there. Right. Now, this is what I'm talking about, because 704, I need 1,340. Now, I know that I've got 1,000 there, 704. So, they are very close in colour. So, I'm going to tip these in. So, they're in there. And then I'm going to tip these in to fill it up. Now, I'm going to most probably need about another 200. So I'll mark there. I will get a bag. Oh, it is a 704. And I'll put that bag back in here. And this bag will go into my spares for the heaven and earth. And then if I kit down using the 704, I will put it straight into there. So that one, we only mark off the first bit. Excuse me. 712. I need 336. Now I've got a full bag there, but I'm going to see how much is in here because I need just over a scoop. So if there's enough of this shade, yeah, there's plenty, then I will just empty that. And that gets rid of a bag, and it also gets rid of another one of the shades that I've not got a huge amount of. 718. I've got 3 completely different shades. Now I need 1300. So 718 is 100. And what have I got? Nothing that's even close to that. So I'm going to put that back in there. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to get another tray. And I'm actually going to see how much all of these 3 shades come to. So there's an odd drill there. So 300. Oh, out you come. I might even have enough with mixing these, you know. Right, so there's 600. I don't think I will, but I'm not mixing 4 shades together. So that's 6. It's 9. There's 12. I think what I'll do is I've actually mixed 2 shades there. And then this one I will put in there. And then I will actually mix these 2 shades together. If I'm doing a bit where there's more than a few in there, do you know what? The only thing about, they've all got stuck in the funnel. So let's put it into that one where there isn't a funnel. And we'll see if we can get these. I don't think these are all going to fit, no. So what I will do is I will put them back in here and then stick them in there. So I do have enough of the 718 without going into the art dot. That was a nice squiggly line. Put that back. 720. So I hope you get where I'm coming from. Right, I need 410. Now I think there's going to be easily 410 in here. Let's have a look. There's 300. Yeah, there's easily 410 here. Not fighting with the bag. We go in there. And that can be marked off. So I'm still going to have tons of leftovers of my old spares. But, and I just found some more. But it means that I'm not having to put them into one to take them out of another and da-da-da. Right, 725. I need 1400. So, it's 725. So, I'm going to end up using all of that and that one, because I'd say there's about 400 there. So, what I'm actually going to do is take that card out and tip these ones into here. And I know everybody's not as precious as me when it comes to mixing shades. Oh, where did I just put that bag? Right, that's it, 725. I'm going to put that card back in. excuse me, and I'm going to put it into my storage. And that other bag with 1,000 can go in there, because then it's there. It's in the right place. So, now this next one, 726, I need 4,491. Now, I wonder how many's in these bags. So, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm actually going to... Right, let's start again. I'm going to see how much is in this one. The thing is, that's the wrong colour anyway. It's not 7/9. I want 726, which I don't have a lot of. So that I think is going to be the same. The 726, I've got 1,000 there. I'd say this was the 400. So let me just tip it into here so I don't have to take the card out. Right, so that can go back into my spare storage. I'd say that, so I need, I reckon, about 3,000 of this colour. Because there is no more in here. 726, no, I just had one bag. That one I'm going to put in my spares. So I do need some more of that one. A lot more of that one. Right, 728. Right, I haven't got a lot. I need, oh, I've got enough. 728. I'm going to take out the bag from here. And I'm going to put it straight in because we know that's 1,000. And these ones here are easily, put that one back. This is easily 200 in here. And that way I use up these. They're easily 200, maybe, if I don't throw them all around the house. Right, so that bag can go into my spare storage so that it's there when I get some more. Now, if I do run out, I do have some more in there, just a small amount though. So, I think I've got enough. So that's page 2 of 6 done. In fact, it doesn't go up there. It goes, no, it does go up there, seriously. Right, so 733. And I hope you guys aren't too bored. I'm loving doing this. 733, I don't have any in there. And we're on to the next wooden box. So, I'm going to close this one up. I'm going to move the crap that I put up there, like my phone case. And that box can now go away. Right, so we are on 733. Now, I only need 100 of this. So, it's just going to be a little scoop. Just a little scoop. There we go. And there's most probably way over 100 there. But, I swear I'm losing my brain. But, it's done. 738. Have I got any of those in my old spares? No. So 738. I need 634. So we've got 300. We have 600. And a few more for them. 634 actually. So that goes in there. That row is now finished. And that can go away there. Right, so where's my marker pen to keep me place? So that one can go off. 740. Where are you? 740. I've got two. Well, I've got one. Have I just got one? Yeah. How many do I need? 271. Now, there should be. Might help if I get the pot out. So it looks like is that going to be enough? 271. I don't think that is 200 there, but it might be. Oh, it might be, yeah. So that can go there and that can be crossed off. Right, 741 is another one where I'm not going to have enough. So 741, I shall take 1,000 out and put it straight into the overs box. This I'd say is the 162. So I'd say I need about 1,000 of those ones. So we'll get this in here. And then this bag can go back in, ready for when I get it in a kit. Now we'll still be doing, I've got to start with, I've got all the colours to start with, so I should be okay to start. It's just, right, now this one I will have enough. 742. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the 742 in there. So there's 1,000. And then I need 173. So let's get my little measuring spoon out and see if I think that I may, yeah, I should have enough. I should have enough, because then what I can do is I can put the card in there and that goes into my spares. So that one I've got enough. 743. I need 1,084. So once again, $743 will go, 1,000 will go into there. And the reason I'm doing this, guys, is because what I'll do is I want to use, rather than mixing them now, I want, if it was just like 300 or 400 and I'd just put them in the pot and mix them, I wouldn't be too worried about it. But because I am using up odds and sods, so to speak, I'd rather use this little bit first and then use 1,000, because then I'm keeping all of the same shade. Right, so number 3's done. So on to number 4. And how are we doing with time? Let's, I kind of messed up a bit there. I turned it off instead of actually looking at it, the time. So you haven't missed anything. I'm still just about to start the fourth container. So 744, I don't have enough of. So 744, I need 1,463. So what I'm going to do is fill this up, because you can get almost 1,000 in there. I can put that bag back in there. And then what I can do is I'll close that and I will say I still need 500 of that. So 745, I actually need tons and I'm not going to have enough. So I need 1,900. So 745, I will put the 1,000 straight in the box. And then this, I'll work out how much is in here. It will go into the pot. Now, there's 300. About 400. Right, so I've got 1,400, so I'd say I still need 500 of that one. And then this bag goes in there, because I do like to have an empty bag there so that I can if I'm kitting down, I don't have to do all the whole messing about. 747, I don't have any. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get this whole 1,000 in, which hopefully I can get it all in. Come on, out you get. Right, so there's 747. So that can go back in there. I need 1,750 of that one. See, some of them are big numbers, some of them aren't. That can go back in there. And then obviously I just completely missed the pot. Right, so 754. I need, oh wow, they're completely different numbers. I need 1,400. It's more like that one. So I'll put the 1,000 in there. I'm going to take this out. There's no way 400 in here, but the reason I'm going to take that out, and I'm just going to stick it there. This set here, and I know I'm confusing things, guys. Right, that's easily, but I wanted to use this bag to go back in the spares box. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to actually pour all of this in. And yes, there will be extras, but it'll all be the same shade. And I'm not worried about that little one there because it's doing me head in. So, there's that one. 772. I have a very small amount and I need 500. So 772, let's see how close it is. Right, 772, I'm going to put here. Right, so let's see how many I got in here. Right, there's about 300 and I need 500. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour that in there. And then I'm going to get one scoop and put it into this bag. And I know, guys, I know I'm just making more work for myself. I know this, but I don't really like shades mixing. And then that can go back in there. And it means I've got this one. Right, 779, I need 1,800. So, we have two completely different shades. Let's see what the shade is like in here. It's like this dark one. So, I need 1,800. Right, so, we've got 300. 600. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to put that little bit back in there because I don't need that bit. I'm going to empty this pot into here, and then there's tons at the back because I'd easily say there's 864. That can go back into there. The 779 can go there, and then I can tidy up the mess that I've made here, and they're not all going to fit. You will fit. I need you to fit. Alright, let's close that and give it a bit of a shake, and then get these in. Because there's only... Do you know what? It's just me. I do these things and I test myself. And I know that I make more work for myself. Right. In you get. You're annoying me now. Get in. Get in there. There we go. And it shuts. Right. So we have all of that, which is good because it means it's a big one. Right. 780. We need 380. So let's get in here. 300. Seriously. This is the problem, guys. I need the card in there because it helps them stand up in the thing. But then it doesn't want to come out. So, there we go. 380. Like I said, if I'm a few short, then I know I've got the diamond the art dots in there. 782. I don't have any. So we will use the art dots. And I need 454. So we've got 300, 450, give or take, 780. Now, I don't know why I can't aim into the pot. It's a problem I have. Oh, why are you not? Right, push it out. There we go. That's better. If you ever have problems with these shutting, I just realised it's in a complete tilt. Let's turn you around. Sorry about that, guys. If you ever have problems, if you get the little tab and push it out and push that in, it's so much better. Gives you a better click. Right, 782 we did, and we've got enough. 783. We need 730. Right, let's see how many's here. Right, so we've got 300. 400. Right. Yeah, I've easily got enough. So those ones I am just going to stick in there. Like I said, if I do run out, then I'll just dip into the diamond art dot. Once. 791. Oh, got lots of these. And I need 2,400. So, 791. 791. Right. So there's 1,000. They can go in there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 300, 600, 912. Yeah, that's all I'm going to put in there. I'm not filling it right up, but I am going to put that into there. But no, I'm not going to do that, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another bag and do a label, because I will need a bag for my storage. So it's 791. And I'll stick that on there. And what I'll do, in fact, what I'll do is I will transfer these ones into here. Come on, be good. Can I do it without spilling? Obviously not, because that would just be too much hard work. I need to take the card out, and then I can do it. And I did spill them. See? This is my life. Right, so those can go into there. And then this bag, which has got my label on it for the storage, because obviously it all has to match, can go in there. Get those last two little babies out. So we do have enough for the 791. 792. I don't have any spare, so I will go into here, and I need 493. So we've got 300, about 500 there, and that can go back in there. Let's mark that off. We are getting there, guys. We are getting there. Maybe slowly, but we are. And please excuse my squeaky chair. 793. I only need 200, so that can go there. So that is another strip done. I might even manage to get 3 done. 794. I need 121, so I will just pour these in because it means that I've 794. That's it. It means that I got rid of another bag out of my spares. Right, so 794 is done. Now, 796. I've got a fair bit, but I don't think I've got enough. I need 7,000. Right, so let's see what we can do here. So there's 300, 600, 900. Right, so there's 900 in there. Right, and the reason I'm doing this, guys, is because I need to sort of know how much I still need to get. Right, so there's 900. I'm looking for a little bit of scrap paper and slide it on here. So I have 900. I don't really want to mix them. Are they the same? No. Right, so there's 900 in there. Now, why have I got those pinks there? Who knows? Don't even remember what colour it is. Right, so let's see how much is in this bag. We've got 300, 600, 9, 12, 15, 18. See if we can get another 3 out of this. Yeah, there's 1,800 there, guys. So I don't want to put it back in that bag. So that's completely different. So let me write 1,800. Because that brings me to 2,700. And then what I'm going to do is, let me take that label off, get another bag. Right, put that there. So we have 1,800. This is why I like these big trays, you know. So I know there's 1,800 in that one. So, and that's pretty full. So let's close that up and put that in there. So we have 1,800. Now let's see. I could mix these two. What's in these ones? Now we can put that piece of card in there. Put that in there because I now know I've got another 1,000 there. So we have another 1,000, so that's 3,700. Now, do we have another 1,000 in here? Oops, don't know where that went. 3, 6, 9. Yeah, there's 1,000 there. So there's another 1,000. And how many do we reckon is in here? Because we will mix these. 1,300. So we've got another 1,300. So that takes us to 5,000. So I will still need 3,000 because it's just under. So I will still need 3,000 of those. And then what I'm going to do is pour it all into this one. And we'll put that in there. And then take that label off there. That label doesn't come off, so I'll write another one. 796. 796. So, if anybody's got any 796, please send them my way. I don't know why this camera keeps moving. Do I keep hitting it, guys? Right, so, I've just smashed up my whole thing here. I think I may need a bigger box for my spares. Right, 796. We still need 3,000. 797. How many? Oh, we've got a few different shades here. 797, 797. We need 2,538. So, let's see how much is in this one. So we have 300, 600. Yeah, there's 900 in there. So, there's 900 in there. So, let's put the 900 in here. Am I confusing you all, or is it just me that's getting confused by all this, guys? Oh, we need you away from the hinge. Right. 900. So, cross that one out. So, we've got 900. Then, how much have we got in here? Yes, and I am going to mix them. They're very different, very similar. So, 3, 6, 9. 12. 15. Right, it's 1,800. So 900 and 1,800 equals 2,700, and I need 2,500, which is good because what it means is I've used up 2 bags. I've used up 2 bags, and I've not even touched my art dots. Go me, go me. I obviously did some paintings that had a lot of blue. So that goes into the spares. Right, we want the 7, they need to come out. Right, so we actually have that big nice number. Now 798, oh no, I'm not going to have enough of, because I've got this much here, and I need 4,500, so 798. We'll put 100 in there, 1,000 in there. I need another bit of paper. Need a piece of, oh look, we've got a piece here. So we've got 1,000 in there. Then let's see how much is in here. See, I mean, some of these numbers are quite big. Right, so that's 300, 600. I'd say it's about 700 in here. I reckon there's 700 there. Oh, I need that. Because I need that for my box. Right, so there's 700 there. So we've got to 1,700. You have got a few bits there, but I don't really want to mix those. The reason being is because the blue is a lot of blue in the background. That's why I'm most probably getting all the large numbers. So if we have 4,500, take away 1,700 equals 15,800. 2,800 I need of those. Just a few, guys. Just a few. Right, that's another one filled. Now, we're still on these ones. Now, 799, I do have loads of different shades, although those shades are the same. I need 1,500. So, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to move the 799 over there. So, there's the 1,000. I'm going to see how much is in this one to see if we have 500, which I am pretty sure. There's 3. Yeah, we've easily got 500. So, there we go. That one's done. Then I'm going to move this packet over to this. I'm sorry, guys. I know I'm very anal in regards to doing the shading, but, and the cards. But if I move that over, then I can use the good bag, or the bag with the nicer label on, can go into my wooden box storage. So it goes in there. I've actually made a bit of space in there because there's I've used quite a few bags. Right, 801. What have we got in the spares for 801? Now, we need 543, which I'd easily say there is there. So, I am just going to pour it in. And once again, make a complete hash of this. There is a purple one in there, or blue, but it can stay in there. It looks like a lot of, because if you look at the picture, it's a lot of the blues here that I think are where the big numbers are coming in. I don't know why my phone keeps moving. Let's try and see if it stays there. Stay. Let's push it that way a bit. Stay. Right. 803. 803. Do I have any? Yes. And I only need 370. And I'd say there's 370 here. Let's have a little look. Yeah. So that gets rid of another bag out of my storage. I'm sure this would be a lot quicker if I didn't keep spilling them. See what I mean? That one doesn't want to go in. It literally doesn't want to go in. So you get in there. Right, 807. I only need a tiny little amount. I need 32. So that will easily be 32 in there. That can be shut and that can go away. See, I like the easy little numbers. They're pretty cool. I've just put pen all over me. Right, 809. We're getting some big, oh my gosh. I've just seen a number further down. 809. We need 1,687. So, the 809, let's get it out of the box. There's 1,000. Then, we can take the card out, because that way I'd say there's about 600 in there. Or maybe not, you know. Oh dear. Oh, I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is. If not, then I'll cry. I think it is because it's over halfway. So 809 can go back in there as an empty bag. And we can cross it off. Right, 814. What have we got? We need 1,856. Now, what I'm going to do is do it again here. You've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I reckon there's enough here, guys. Can we get another one? Yeah. So that can go over there. That 814 can go back in there. No, it can't. Where did it go? There it is. Because I'm not going to fit 1,800 in here. So what I am going to do is pour some in here. Get my little babies. Oh, just saw a red one in there. So that can go in there. This can go into here. Come on, down you go. Down. Stubborn little shit. Right, so that one can go into there. So now we have 815 and I need 1,700, which I don't have there. 815, so we've got 1,000 there. What is it very close to? It's not close to any of them. Right, 1,000 there. So we need to get 777. So that was a bit full, that one. So there's 3. I'd say there's 6 there. So I think what I'll do is do that. And that 815 can go in there as well. And that way I'm not mixing. Oh gosh, guys. 800s. Didn't even put my slip in. Look. There we go. So I'm getting all of the muddle. Right, so there's 815 there. Did I put an empty bag back? No, I didn't. Didn't do it. So where's my bag gone? 815. It's there. And put that in the spares. So 817, 1,400. 817. I've got 2 bags there. So I will have to use 1,000 there. It's not like any of them. 817. I'll put a few in. What do I need? 14. So I need 200, 300 and a bit. There you go. And that I'll just have to do. In fact, what I am going to do is I'm going to put all of them in. The reason being is because that bag can then go in the storage. And it can go 817 in there. And then I'm going to put that in there because I will use that first. And use up that little bag before I start using the art dot ones. So, sometimes I don't know if I'm talking to myself or I'm talking to you lot. Right, 819. Where are you? There we go. Now, I need 1,012. What do you reckon, guys? Do you reckon I've got 1,012 here? Right, 300. 600. Yeah, easily. Right, so that little one can go back in because that's a completely different colour. And then what we do is we put some in there. And then the rest we'll put in there. And it can go into the spares. Right. So that's done. Now this next one, guys, is the one I went, oh my geez. I need 25,000. Right. How many do we reckon we've got in here? What do we reckon, guys? And I am going to empty them out because then I'll use this bag. So 820. There's 1,000. So let's cross all that out. And let's put 1,000. I'm going to need a lot of these. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So there's 2,800 there. Right. So we're going to put this bag back in there. Did I say 21 or 24? 24. So there's 2,500. So I have 3,500. So how many is here? I'm going to leave that there for the minute. Are these very similar? Yes. So let's see. I'm going to get another tray. Oh, jeez. Life is so hard. All right. And see how many I've got between these two bags. I'm not going to have enough. Did I put that bag back in there? Yes. So I don't need to worry about that storage there. So we have 300 there. Right, let me put this in there. Remember 300, guys. If I forget, shout at me. Right, so that can go in there. Now, I did have some spares, but I think they were all... I don't know where they've gone. I don't think they were free. Right, 300. Let's count these first. Right, 300. 600. About 900 there. So, that can go away. And I am going to put this 900 into here. Because I will use them first. Out you go. Right, so 900. Now, I did have specs, but I've got a feeling that they were all black. That's what I think. And obviously now that I'm looking for them, I don't know where they are. Oh, they're here. Right, so we got 3 10s, 3 10s, 3 10s. Yeah, they are all black. So there's 900. So I have 4,400. Okay, and I need 25,000. So I still need 11,000 of those. Guys, look in your stash, and if you've got any 820s that you would like to donate, all welcome. Right, 823, I need 3,700, and I've got plenty of 823s. Right, so 3,700, so I'm going to do the same thing. See how much is in here. Right, so we have 300, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 28, wow, 32, 35. Yeah, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put all these back in here because I've got enough. Oh gosh, only me. I won't have enough by the time I've finished spilling them everywhere. Oh wow. Right, come on you little guys. Come on, come back to the party. Now 823, I knew that I had tons of these. So I've actually got enough of these without having to dig in to my Art Dot 1000. Right, so those ones I'm going to put in there. These ones I'm going to put in here. And I am going to put a big line going all through it. So let's do this. There we go. I've more than got enough of these. More than enough. Get out. Right, so we'll put those in there. Get on. Out you go. Get on. There we go. Right. The last one on this strip and in this box is 825, which I don't have any in there. I need 11,000, so 825. You can come here. I'm going to get another box for a label, but I'm just going to change that 825 because they won't all fit in here, but I do want this bag for my storage. So we'll do this 825. So there's that. I know that I've got 1,000, so I will need 170 of these. So that one can go in there. That empty bag goes in there. One of the cards has gone astray. And I need 170. So that, my friends, is box number 2, well and truly done. So that's enough for me for this video. So with that, thanks for watching, guys. And if it's boring, just click off. I love kitting up. I could do this all day. I'm trying to get it all on video. So what I'm having to do is do a bit, upload it, schedule it, do a bit more. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. So this was part 2. I will see you all in part 3. If you like me, give us a little thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe, the button's down there this way. And if you hit the little bell icon, you'll hear a ding when I upload a video. So guys, thank you for taking this journey with me. I need all the support I can get. I love kitting up, but this is one hell of a kitting up. So for now, guys, I will say goodbye and I will see you all soon. Bye.